Hello, guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, March the 5th, 2022, and I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars, well, actually 4 stars, the binary, and now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Alright. This will be number 4218. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16. How can that be a 4 stars Tectonic? 16 should be an easy one. Well, you cannot tell because the one of the first puzzle in this additional, I thought it was an easy one. Well, seems to be a 4 stars. Alright, so let's get started. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. First question, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here 1 single box. Always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have dual boxes here? We have a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes here? Nope. Triple box. I see only 2 quadra boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Here also a quadra box. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box is this box. The inside box is always a 5. Okay. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or construction. For example, the L shape mirrored here. Let me draw the L shape here. Alright, here we have an L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, then the following figure or shape. How about this shape? Or this shape? Yeah, let me draw this one. No, let me draw this one. Okay. Here we have the shape. Okay. When you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shapes in this puzzle? No. Then I think this one is the last one. Yeah, let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes or figures in this puzzle. Only 4. We have more. I believe there are maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. This puzzle we have only 4 of those figures that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? That's the question. Why you need to recognize? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These three boxes surround the one. Can be a 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. These three boxes surround the 2. Can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. We have two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Well, this box cannot be a 2 anymore because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. Yeah. So one box left for the 2 should be here. These three boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These three boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These three boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So one box left for the 4 should be there. Okay. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there and a double 3 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. Same for the 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a double 2 there, so I cannot place the 2 here. The 2 should be there, and the 3 goes here. One box left in this area for number 4. Two numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So one box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 2. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. Alright. Okay. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I'm thinking. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 2. That's a pair. 1 and a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 in one of those two boxes. So it cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. Two missing numbers in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Well, if I place a 4 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. But we already have a 4 here. So it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 3. And that box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. I think this... No. Don't think too long. Don't think too much. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 3. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this quarter box. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 1 box left in this quarter box for number 1. Okay. Alright. Then, let me see. Now we have a 3 there. So this box, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes and there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. And those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 2, but also this box can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Well, this box can be 2 or a 4. We have a double 2 and a double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Okay, that means that these 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So these 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Okay. 2 and the 4. Overlook this 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box should be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 4. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes. And they are finishing 40 minutes. Told you. 16 printed digits cannot be a 4 stars. Well, let me give this a 1 star. Yeah. Cannot be a 4 stars. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so yeah. 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel or puzzles. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus, yeah. Or the killer Sudokus, yeah. All of those playlists I have in my channel. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all of those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Bye bye for now.